Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Going to be working on a Porsche this morning. You can see curb rash along up here and then a little bit more down here at the bottom. Some of it's kind of deep, so I am going to start with the red disc on the grinder, the conditioning disc. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and just subscribe button. Maybe checking out the links in the description below for the tools and products I use. We'll start grinding on this. This one should only take a few minutes. Alright, then we will go over that with the 320 grit. One more spot to get right here too. That'll just come out with the sander. Alright, then we'll go ahead and scuff this with the 1500 grit scuff pad. Wipe most of the dust away. And we're going to use, should be called medium silver in the description. If this isn't linked in the description, you could also use the Sonic Silver. That just has a little bit bigger flake in the paint. This one's a little bit finer flake. And then we'll cover that with clear coat.